Hello everybody, welcome back. It's It's September 19th, Monday 2022. Anyway, we have just done Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, and now we're moving on to Cardano. Cardano is Charles Hoskinson's coin. Mr. Charles Hoskinson, what's up? For ADA against BTC, I'll be surprised if I see Charles Hoskinson leave a comment. Yeah, but anyway, for ADA against BTC, yeah, we've been hitting on a skinny pink line ever since we crossed the skinny pink line way back on the 6th of November 2021. We have been under the skinny pink line. We've made an attempt to break back up, but no, this was a 1 month shooting star, right? If you go to it, ta-da, shooting star, ladies and gentlemen. Shooting star means the price was pushed up, but then it was pulled back down, right? So you can see here, the price was pushed up, but then after that, it got pulled back down. So you get a shooting star. And shooting star is a very powerful candlestick because it signifies a trend reversal. And so, yes, it's just a bearish candlestick. And so eventually, we drop lower. Do we see any shooting stars? No. Could we still drop lower? Sure. But I just don't see the bearishness of the trade. Could we just suddenly, drop lower? Sure, of course. But is there a trade right now towards the upside or either towards the downside? Nope, I don't see it. You could also consider this as a inverse head and shoulders in the making. We could break higher. That could absolutely happen, but I just don't see it yet. We are still under the skinny pink line, largely still under the skinny pink line. Two attempts to break it. Will the second attempt be a successful one, or will we still meet resistance and we continue lower for ADA BTC? Yes, no, you're not too sure. We could also just punch through and after that come back down though. So yeah, things just aren't really that clear. But to be honest, I would prefer if ADA were to drop lower, right? This would complete a wave C, right? If you could get a wave C, then this would be great, right? We've already completed a wave A. Ta-da! We went up for a B. Hopefully, we get a C. And if this is a C, then we are only halfway through. So which means that potentially there's still another downwards move for ADA against BTC. So things just aren't really that clear. I wish I could tell you that this is a bullish reversal. We could do something like that. We could consolidate, and then we could break higher, and yeah, this thing could eventually become pancakes, right? And yeah, we could just keep going higher and higher, but again, we have to take things one step at a time. And for ADA against BTC, things just aren't really that clear. ADA against USDT, we are expecting more downside to come. We have a 26 cents target for ADA. We got this 5 days ago on the 14th of September. Today's the 19th. So we still remain bias bearish and we are still looking forward to 26 cents being hit for ADA. This is a continuation chart pattern. Previously, for the whole trip down, for the whole adventure down, ADA has not been kind to traders. If you are a trader, ADA would have been an extremely difficult trade, especially if you're a classical chart pattern trader like me. It would have been difficult. If you are a support resistance trader, maybe you could, but still, I still would not consider ADA as a easy to trade type of a chart pattern, right, on the way down. Yeah, so this is good. I think this whole thing could be a big A. We could get A, B, C, D, E as well, and we could be breaking out. But again, I can't say for sure. I don't see the trade yet for ADA towards the upside. Yes, this is a mountain range. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're completing the third mountain right now. I mean, if you were to cut through the wicks, right, this is a third mountain in the making, and so the opportunity may not be too far away for a move towards the downside. You can open shots now if you want to, though, with a stop loss here, but you'll be too far away for me. I think that you can get a much tighter stop loss. Remember to always put your stop loss when you put on trades, because you never know when things could go wrong. You must always have a plan B. Hope for the best, but prepare for the worst is very important, because trading is, if you really truly master the art of trading, you will eventually realize that having a contingency plan is very important. Anyway, where we are right now is we are at an interesting area, right? So this is a this was previously kind of a resistance line. We broke up and now we're coming back down towards the support. Resistance once broken becomes support. So now we're coming down towards the support line area, and yeah, potentially more downsides to be expected. More specifically, the target is 26 cents. Could we overachieve 26 cents? Sure. Could we drop and not hit target and start a reversal? Sure. But at this point of time, we still have the bias that more downside is to be expected for ADA from where we are right now at 43 cents. Much more downside. Yeah, I think we're going to breach 30 cents, and yeah, very likely we're going to be hitting 26 cents. I mean, if you want to take a trade, yeah, like I was saying, you need to, be very careful, right? Things can always go wrong. We may not hit targets, and yeah, again, ADA is already down so much. It's already down 86%. We're so oversold, and I'm anticipating the possibility of a reversal, but I just don't see it yet. I can't say for sure, if we're going to hit 26 cents, and after that, maybe after we hit targets, there could be a reversal, and this whole thing could be like a left shoulder, we get a hit, we get a right shoulder, hey, a smiley face, and then we break out, potentially. But, as the skinny pink line comes down, we get the right shoulder above the skinny pink line, yeah, maybe, can't say for sure. So just be very careful about rushing into anything. I still think that there's still more downside, and if you are a real true blue believer of ADA, I don't think it's time to DCA, but hey, it's up to you. But yeah, I just don't think so. I think there's just more downside to be expected for ADA. The real true noisy area will be here, somewhere around sub 20 cents. Yeah, we could be breaching into sub 20 cents before a reversal, but I mean, if I were to enter a trade, I'm not going to wait that long. More likely than not, I will be almost, if not fully out by 26 cents. So yeah, the boys and I in Patreon will be waiting for that opportunity. All right, hope you guys have a nice day. See you in the next video, which is Solana. All right, see you. Ta-da.